I just cast my vote in the election. The right to vote in this election was given to me by my friend, the Constitution. All citizens of India above the age of 18 have the right to vote, like me. The idea of giving the right to vote to all adults, irrespective of their background, is called the Universal Adult Franchise. A.K. Iyer, a member of the Constituent Assembly, made an interesting remark about this provision in the Constitution. He said that this provision was provided with an abundant faith in the common man and the ultimate success of democratic rule. He also felt that the introduction of democratic government on the basis of adult suffrage will promote the well-being of the common man in India. That was pretty clear, wasn't it? The people have a direct role in electing their representatives. Only the elected representatives can occupy key leadership positions in the government. There might be exceptions. For example, the governor or officials of the government are not elected, but their appointment is done by elected representatives. So, effectively, all the key positions in the government are occupied or controlled by elected representatives of the government. So, what are these key positions? Ministers, chief ministers, and the Prime Minister of India are answerable to their respective legislatures. They have to answer questions raised by other elected representatives. We call this setup the parliamentary system of government. India is supposed to follow this system because the Constitution asks us to do so. Power is like a chocolate cake. It is irresistible. It is nice if you have it in moderate quantities, but if you eat too much of it, you'll face health issues. You might turn obese. So we try to eat it in moderate quantities. Similarly, people must also be given moderate amounts of power. Too much power gets into their heads, and they start doing illogical things. My friend, the Constitution, understands. So he has cut the cake of power into 3 pieces and distributed it to the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. That is called distribution of power, or the separation of powers.
If you like this video and want to watch many more amazing videos like these, like and subscribe to our channel now.